The top 7 drinks to reduce creatinine and heal your kidneys. Being a waste product, elevated levels of creatinine in the blood may be a sign of impaired renal function. Stay tuned as we discuss 7 wonderful beverages that support kidney health and offer preparation and consumption advice. Before we get started, let me just say that all of the material in this video was produced by actual individuals and has been carefully fact-checked, unbiased, and vetted by trained specialists. 1. Tea made from dandelion roots. We start up with dandelion root tea. For generations, people have utilized this herbal tea for its medical qualities, which include aiding in body detoxification. Antioxidants, which are abundant in dandelion root, help shield your body from damage brought on by free radicals, which are unstable chemicals that damage cells and organs, including the kidneys. Free radicals can be neutralized by antioxidants. By lowering the body's oxidative load, this improves the health and protection of these essential organs. According to research, substances found in dandelion roots may help lower inflammation in the body by inhibiting the inflammatory responses triggering molecules from being produced, which is how some anti-inflammatory medications function. This impact may aid in symptom relief and renal function enhancement. So how is this amazing elixir consumed? 1 or 2 tablespoons of dried dandelion root should steep in a cup of boiling water for around 10 minutes to produce dandelion root tea. Sip this tea once or twice a day. Despite the many health advantages of dandelion tea, it's crucial to be aware of any potential risks and take appropriate precautions. Some individuals may have moderate adverse effects, such as upset stomach, diarrhea, or skin irritation. Most individuals are safe with dandelions. People who suffer from specific medical issues, however, ought to use caution. You should use caution when taking dandelion if you have been diagnosed with acute gastroenteritis, reflux esophagitis, or a blockage in the gastrointestinal tract. Furthermore, anyone who are allergic to any of the plants in the Asteraceae family, which includes marigolds, daisies, and chrysanthemums, may also be allergic to dandelions. 2. Tea with chamomile. The relaxing qualities of chamomile are well known, as are its many health advantages, especially for kidney health. The anti-inflammatory qualities of chamomile aid in reducing kidney edema and inflammation. The phenolic acids and flavonoids found in chamomile, which are antioxidants, lessen oxidative stress, which is frequently linked to kidney disorders. Additionally, chamomile can decrease serum urea levels, which indicate the health of the kidneys. Elevated serum urea levels suggest ineffective waste filtration by the kidneys. Chamomile supports overall kidney function by assisting in the preservation of a healthy balance of these indicators. 2 to 3 tablespoons of dried chamomile flowers should steep in a cup of boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes to prepare chamomile tea. Before going to bed, sip on this tea to promote healthy kidney function and help your body relax. Those who are allergic to daisy plants should stay away from chamomile. Most people can safely use chamomile, but it's crucial to understand possible adverse effects and safety measures. Certain individuals may have an allergy to chamomile, particularly those who have an allergy to plants belonging to the Asteraceae family, which includes chrysanthemums, ragweed, daisies, and marigolds. Skin discomfort and more severe reactions in sensitive persons are examples of allergic reactions. If you made it this far into the video, thank you. These videos take a lot of effort and time to make, so if you enjoyed them, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. This goes a long way in helping us grow. That said, back to the video 3. Sweeten-free green tea. Many health benefits of green tea are well recognized, and one of those benefits is that it is good for kidney health. This spice's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can also aid in kidney damage prevention. Perhaps you're thinking how to enjoy this drink the most. Instead of going for a ginger ale from the store, combine ginger syrup and sparkling water to create your own natural version. This makes it simpler to stay away from products that contain a lot of sugar because they may aggravate inflammation. Enjoy 1 cup of moderately brewed coffee each day. 5. Carrot juice, in addition to being nutrient-dense, carrot juice also promotes kidney function. This vegetable's abundance of beta-carotene and antioxidants helps to lessen renal oxidative stress and inflammation. By scavenging free radicals, these substances aid in the reduction of oxidative stress, a factor that might exacerbate chronic kidney disease, CKD. Once within the body, beta-carotene is transformed into vitamin A, which is another anti-inflammatory that supports optimal kidney function. Researchers discovered in a 2024 study that by lowering oxidative stress in the kidneys, more beta-carotene can also reduce the incidence of chronic kidney disease, CKD. To take advantage of carrots' health benefits, juice 1 cup of fresh carrots per day to create a nutrient-rich beverage. Carrots naturally contain sugar, so if you have diabetes, watch what you eat. The research that back up our assertions are available for viewing via the link in our description box for anyone who are interested in the proof. 6. Apple juice. Apples are safe to eat for those with kidney stones, chronic renal disease, and kidney transplant recipients, according to the National Kidney Foundation. This is because apple juice is a great option for kidney health because the fruit is low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. Elevated phosphorus levels can cause calcium deposits in the tissues and vascular calcification, which further strains the kidneys, while high potassium levels can cause serious cardiac problems. You can lower the risk of problems and improve your management of kidney-related illnesses by consuming apple juice, in addition to being high in vital minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium that aid in waste excretion and lessen the strain on the kidneys. Apples are also a good source of antioxidants like polyphenols. 7. Juice from cucumbers. Another excellent choice for maintaining hydration and promoting kidney function is cucumber juice. Approximately 95% of a cucumber is constituted of water. Their inherent diuretic qualities encourage the production of urine, aiding the kidneys in eliminating waste. Furthermore, the abundance of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances found in these fruits can counteract the damaging effects of free radicals and lessen inflammation within the body. An investigation of a novel herbal blend's ability to reduce inflammation was conducted recently. Cucumber juice, glycerol, and a particular kind of citrus juice were combined in this mixture. The mixture inhibited inflammatory molecules as well as popular anti-inflammatory medications like diclofenac, according to the data. What then is the ideal technique to sip cucumber juice? Consume it while it's still fresh. Juicing fresh cucumbers and consuming 1 to 2 cups each day will help you do this. Drinks that could harmfully impact kidney function. Although our focus has been on beverages that promote kidney health, it's also critical to understand which beverages to stay away from or only drink in moderation, since they may damage the kidneys or increase oxalate levels. Cranberry juice is one instance, because of its possible advantages in both treating and preventing UTIs, particularly in postmenopausal women. This beverage is frequently advised. This is due to the presence of proanthocyanidin, a substance in cranberries that lowers the risk of infection by preventing germs from adhering to the walls of the urinary system. However, cranberry products should be used cautiously if kidney health is an issue. Kidney stones have been linked to cranberry tablets, especially those with high vitamin C content. This is due to the fact that cranberries have the ability to increase urine's oxalate levels, which can lead to kidney stones. Cranberry products may raise the risk for people who are predisposed to kidney stones, particularly those with a family history or high levels of calcium oxalate. Other strategies to enhance renal function. Selecting beverages that are good for your kidneys can be beneficial, but keep in mind that they should only be a part of a healthy, balanced diet. To get you started, consider these additional suggestions. Control your stress levels. Stress management is yet another crucial aspect of renal health. Prolonged stress can cause unhealthy habits and blood pressure to rise, both of which are detrimental to kidney function. Regular exercise is a fantastic method to improve how well the body functions and lessen the effects of everyday tensions. to control your response to stress. You can also engage in relaxation exercises like yoga, deep breathing, or meditation. Consume a balanced diet. Mindful eating is the first step towards maintaining kidney health. While the body needs protein, metabolism generates waste that the kidneys must filter, so it's important to watch how much protein you eat. Consume plant-based foods and high-quality protein sources like fish and chicken to lessen the strain on your kidneys. Equally important to the kidney's ability to effectively filter waste and preserve equilibrium is maintaining hydration. It's important to remember that being hydrated involves more than just drinking water. It involves everything you eat. Everybody needs different amounts of water each day. Keep an eye on your urine and thirst to ensure that you are staying well hydrated. Usually, clear urine indicates if you are sufficiently or excessively hydrated. Your urine may smell strongly and turn yellow or amber when you are dehydrated. Avoiding processed and quick foods will help you eat less salt, since high sodium can raise blood pressure, which puts additional strain on the kidneys. Make routine health checkups. See your doctor on a regular basis to detect kidney problems early on and avoid kidney damage. Making routine appointments with your healthcare provider enables blood and urine tests to be used to assess kidney function. Prompt management can assist maintain kidney function and general health by enabling early detection of any changes in kidney health. The final word, there you have it. 7 beverages that can help decrease creatinine levels and enhance renal function. Antioxidants, which are abundant in all drinks, aid in lowering inflammation and oxidative stress. Drinks with diuretic qualities, such as cucumber juice and dandelion root tea, boost urine production and improve the kidney's ability to filter waste out of the body. Some, like carrot juice and green tea, are rich in nutrients and improve kidney health by strengthening the kidney's natural defenses and lowering their stress levels. Though these beverages may be advantageous, keep in mind that they ought to be a part of a general healthy diet and way of life. Along with eating a balanced diet and drinking these kidney-friendly beverages, remember to stay hydrated. Before making any big dietary changes, always get advice from a healthcare provider, particularly if you have underlying medical issues. Garden of Life Women's Multivitamin, the essential nutrient boost for active women. Active women need a multivitamin that can keep up with their busy lifestyle, and Garden of Life delivers. Our women's multivitamin is formulated to support you during your reproductive years with 100% daily value of 17 key vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, C, D, K, and B complex. We've added essential nutrients like glutathione, boron, vanadium, and CoQ10 to help you feel energized and balanced every day. Whole body wellness with probiotics. This multivitamin does more than cover your basic nutrient needs. It supports breast, heart, and reproductive health, while also providing an energy boost to keep you going strong. The addition of 23 powdered, organically grown raw fruits and vegetables offers extra antioxidants and nutrients, making this formula more than just a typical vitamin. It's a powerhouse for your entire body. Packed with probiotics and digestive enzymes. Gut health is key to nutrient absorption, and we've included raw probiotics like L. bulgaricus and L. plantarum to support a healthy digestive system, along with a mix of powerful digestive enzymes, lipase, protease, bromelain, lactase, and papain. This multivitamin ensures your body is breaking down and absorbing nutrients efficiently. Clean, high-quality nutrition you can trust. At Garden of Life, we're committed to quality. Our multivitamin is third-party certified non-GMO, gluten-free, and kosher. It's also raw, meaning we avoid using high heat, synthetic binders, fillers, or artificial ingredients. You can trust that every capsule is packed with pure, whole food nutrients. Click the link below to learn more and start boosting your health today. In conclusion, taking proactive steps to support kidney health can significantly impact your overall well-being. The drinks we've discussed, such as dandelion root tea, chamomile tea, green tea, ginger tea, apple juice, cucumber juice, and carrot juice offer natural and delicious ways to help lower creatinine levels and promote kidney function. Incorporating these beverages into your daily routine not only aids in detoxification, but also provides essential nutrients that your body needs for optimal performance. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial, so aim to drink plenty of water alongside these healthy options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us reach more people who need this vital information. Sharing is caring, so consider passing this video along to friends or family who might benefit from learning about kidney health. We all want to live our best lives, and empowering others with knowledge is a great way to do that. For more tips on health and wellness, make sure to subscribe to Health Angel Solutions. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest videos. We're committed to providing you with reliable information to help you lead a healthier life. Your health journey is important to us, and we're excited to be a part of it.